Evaluate 6 times 8 plus 6 times 5. Whenever you have a numerical expression and you're doing a bunch of different operations together, you can't just go left to right and move your way along. What you have to do is use what's called the order of operations. And the way I like to remember the order of operations is by using the word PEMDAS. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? PEMDAS stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. Then do the exponents. Then you multiply, divide, but go left to right. Don't always multiply first, don't always divide first. Then you add or subtract, go left to right, and it's the same thing. Don't always add first, don't always subtract first. So let's take a look at what we have. Do I have any parentheses? No. So we're going to skip that step. Do I have any exponents? No. So I'm going to skip that step. Do we have any multiplication or division left to right? Yes, we do. In fact, I have 2 of them. 6 times 8 is 48. And you know what else? 6 times 5 is 30. That plus sign that was there is just going to drop right down. Do I have any more multiplication or division? Nope, so you're done. Do I have any addition or subtraction moving left to right? Yes, I do. 48 plus 30 is not bad. I can do that in my head. 78. And when we're done and we're left with just one number, we're finished, and that's how you do PEMDAS.